Ever wondered how you can make money while you sleep? In the modern world, artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming possibilities, including the way we trade. AI trading is a game changer, and it's about to take you on a fascinating journey. AI trading, at its core, is like having a digital stockbroker. It uses complex algorithms and predictive analytics to make trading decisions. These decisions are faster and more accurate than any human could ever be. AI can process vast amounts of data in a split second, analyze trends, and execute trades without emotion or fatigue. Imagine having a system that can sift through countless pieces of financial data, identify patterns, predict market trends, and execute trades, all while you're enjoying a good night's sleep. This is not just a dream, but a reality with AI trading. Now let's delve a little deeper. AI trading is not just about algorithms and predictive analytics. It's also about learning and adapting. AI systems can learn from past trades, understand the impact of various factors on market trends, and use this knowledge to enhance future trading decisions. This is what we call machine learning, a subset of AI. This brings us to ChatGPT AI Trading, a new and exciting concept that combines the power of AI with the convenience of chat. It's like having your very own trading assistant that you can communicate with anytime, anywhere. ChatGPT AI Trading uses natural language processing, another subset of AI, to understand and respond to your queries, provide trading suggestions, and even execute trades on your behalf. But the most impressive part: ChatGPT AI Trading is not just an assistant, it's a learning system. It learns from each interaction, each trade, and continually adapts to changing market trends. It's like having a personal trader that gets better and better over time. Imagine having an assistant that not only trades for you, but also learns and adapts to the market trends. That's the power of AI trading. And with ChatGPT AI Trading, it's not just a possibility, but a reality. Welcome to the future of trading. So, how does this ChatGPT AI Trading really work? Well, let's break it down. At its core, ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It's designed to generate human-like text based on the input it's given. But how does it apply to trading, you might wonder? It's actually quite fascinating. ChatGPT AI Trading uses a subset of AI called natural language processing, or NLP for short. This enables it to read and understand news articles, financial reports, and social media posts, much like you and I. But unlike us, it can process vast amounts of data in a blink of an eye. This gives it an uncanny ability to spot market trends and patterns that we mere mortals might miss. The really interesting part is that it doesn't just stop at understanding the market. No, ChatGPT goes a step further. It uses the information it gleans to predict future market trends. It achieves this by constantly learning and adapting from the data it's fed. Imagine a trader who never sleeps, never takes a break, and is always learning. That's ChatGPT AI Trading in a nutshell. Now you might be thinking, surely it can't be perfect. And you'd be right. Like any AI, ChatGPT has its limitations. It can only make predictions based on the data it has, and it doesn't possess human intuition. But its ability to process and learn from a massive amount of information gives it a significant edge in the trading world. So to sum it up, ChatGPT AI Trading reads and understands financial data using NLP, identifies trends, makes predictions, and learns from its successes and failures. It's a tireless, continuously learning machine designed to navigate the complex world of trading. Impressive, isn't it? A machine that can read, learn, and make trading decisions. You must be wondering, how difficult is it to set up this AI trading system? Well, let's dive right into it. Setting up ChatGPT AI Trading is as easy as pie. The developers had a clear vision: to make AI trading accessible to everyone, and they've certainly achieved that. The user interface is designed to be simple and intuitive, ensuring that even the most technologically challenged among us can navigate it with ease. Imagine a clutter-free dashboard, where everything is just where you'd intuitively expect it to be. Each feature is well explained, and there's a step-by-step guide to walk you through the process of setting up your trading preferences. Whether you're a day trader or more of a long-term investor, you'll find it's a breeze to adjust the settings to your liking. Now you might be thinking, what if I use multiple trading platforms? Well, that's another area where ChatGPT AI Trading shines. It's been designed to be platform agnostic. That means whether you're a fan of established platforms like eAsterisk, Trade, or TD Ameritrade, or prefer newer platforms like Robinhood, you can integrate ChatGPT AI trading seamlessly. Even cryptocurrency exchanges aren't left out of the picture. So no matter where your trading interests lie, ChatGPT AI Trading has got you covered. One of the standout features of ChatGPT AI Trading is its adaptability. If you're not comfortable letting the AI make all the decisions, you can set it to propose trades, leaving the final call up to you. This way, you maintain control while benefiting from the AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data at lightning speed. In essence, setting up ChatGPT AI Trading is as simple as creating a profile, setting your preferences, and connecting your trading platforms. In a matter of minutes, you'll have your very own AI trading assistant ready to help you navigate the complex world of financial markets. With ChatGPT AI Trading, you're just a few clicks away from your automated trading journey. Now, let's talk about the potential earnings and the risks involved. When it comes to AI trading, particularly with ChatGPT, the sky's the limit. The potential earnings can be quite substantial. Imagine this. The AI works round the clock, surveying the market trends, analyzing data, and making calculated decisions based on its complex algorithms. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't take breaks, and it doesn't let emotions cloud its judgment. This means it can potentially make profitable trades 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But here's the catch. The key word is potential. Yes, with AI trading, you could make a significant passive income. The algorithm might spot trends and opportunities that a human trader might overlook. But remember, markets are volatile and unpredictable. They can surge one moment and plummet the next. And no matter how sophisticated an AI is, it can't predict the future with absolute certainty. So, while the potential earnings can be tantalizing, it's also crucial to understand the risks involved. AI trading, like all forms of trading, is not a guaranteed pathway to instant wealth. It's not a magic money-making machine, it's a tool, a powerful one, but still a tool. And like all tools, it needs to be used wisely and responsibly. The market's volatility is a double-edged sword. It can lead to significant profits, but it can also lead to substantial losses. And while the AI is immune to human emotions like fear and greed, it's not immune to market fluctuations. That's why it's crucial to have a clear understanding of the market and to set realistic expectations. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments and be prepared for the possibility of losses. It's all part and parcel of the trading world. In conclusion, AI trading can be a lucrative venture, but it's not without its risks. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a strategic tool that can potentially enhance your trading strategy and boost your earnings. Remember, while the earning potential is high, so are the risks. Always trade responsibly. So, is AI trading with ChatGPT the future of passive income? Let's rewind and take a quick glance at what we've delved into today. We started our journey by exploring the fascinating world of AI trading, a realm where algorithms and machine learning are revolutionizing the way we approach the financial markets. We dove into the mechanics of ChatGPT AI trading, understanding how this innovative technology uses natural language processing to interpret market trends and make potential profitable trades. We then walked through the process of setting up your own ChatGPT AI trading system. Remember how it's not as daunting as it may initially seem? With a few steps and a little patience, you can have your own AI-powered trading assistant up and running. We also looked at the potential earnings and risks associated with AI trading. There's no denying the allure of making $2,000 in 24 hours passively, but it's crucial to remember that the financial markets are unpredictable. While AI trading systems like ChatGPT can help mitigate risk and optimize profits, they are not infallible. AI trading presents a unique opportunity to leverage cutting-edge technology for financial gain. It allows you to make informed decisions based on data-driven insights, reducing the guesswork and emotion that often come with traditional trading. The potential of ChatGPT AI trading extends beyond passive income. It's about empowering individuals to take control of their financial futures, to understand and navigate the complexities of the financial markets with confidence and precision. It's about harnessing the power of AI to make trading more accessible, efficient, and potentially profitable for everyone. So, is AI trading with ChatGPT the future of passive income? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain. As technology continues to evolve, the way we trade will too. And with ChatGPT AI trading, you might just find yourself ahead of the curve.